Chicas, chicos y chiques, hoy es jueves, el primer día de octubre de 2020. El objetivo de hoy, puedo describir mi apariencia física. I can describe my physical appearance. Aquí está la lección de hoy. Here is our lesson for today. Empecemos. We are working in your cuaderno digital, your digital notebook, and for our warm-up activity, you are going to complete the sentences with the correct conjugation of the verb ser. So remember, you have the chart from 2 days ago in your notebook. I encourage you to copy that chart and bring it forward and paste it here on the outside of your page to help guide you if you still can't remember the conjugations. In the green section of the sentence, you're going to be putting the verb ser in its correct conjugation. So for example, yo for the verb ser is soy. So for number 1, you'll type yo soy muy seria or serio. Once you have completed all the conjugations of the verb ser for each sentence, I would like you to follow my Bitmoji's instructions here at the bottom and go back and reread these sentences. The words that are highlighted in green are the conjugations of ser, a verb, the action in the sentence. I want you to go back and find the adjective. Remember, adjectives are descriptive. They describe something, okay? In this case, it's describing either the noun, well, it's always describing the noun actually in this case, okay? So you're gonna highlight that in blue. So the example in number 1, yo soy muy seria. Seria, which in English means serious, is describing me, my personality. Okay? Después de empecemos, after your warm-up, you're going to move to the next page and watch this video about el verbo ser. Some of you have been having trouble accessing the videos from within your digital notebook. So I'll be including a direct link to it here in Google Classroom. So what you're going to do is you're going to listen to this video. So that's what you'll be learning today, how to use the acronym DOCTOR to know when to use the verb ser. So you're going to listen to the video and then you're going to follow my example. The instructor explains which each letter stands for in the acronym DOCTOR. So D is descripción, description. We use the verb ser to describe something like el elefante es grande, the elephant is big. El ratón es pequeño, the mouse is small. So please listen to this video and fill in the remaining pieces, okay? So after you get to D, you're gonna get to O, and O stands for occupation. You will type in the sample sentences the instructor gives and their English translation, okay? And this is gonna stay in your digital notebook. Okay, so now you're gonna put it all together. The end of today's lesson is you're gonna write a little bit more about yourself. So building on what you learned yesterday, where you wrote out un poco sobre mí, today we're going to do un poco más sobre mí, a little bit more about myself. Here's the instructions. You will put a picture of yourself and in Spanish, describe your physical appearance with at least 2 adjectives. Use the chart to the left to help you. Okay, so to the left here, we have some pictures which describe physical appearance. For example, alto, which means tall, or bajo, which means short. You might remember that from yesterday's video with the little jelly bean guys singing, right? Delgado is thin, and gordo is like heavy or chubby. Viejo is old, and joven is young. And we also have descriptions for hair color. So rubio is blonde, pelirrojo is redhead or ginger, and castaño is like brown hair, okay? We can also describe the length of your hair, el pelo corto, el pelo largo. So you can follow my example over here in the right. So I have one of my little Bitmojis, and I wrote, soy alta y delgada, soy rubia. Okay, so I am tall and thin, and I am blonde. Okay, so I've completed today's objective. I have met the objective today because puedo describir mi apariencia física. I can describe my physical appearance. I've done that here. Okay, so you're going to put your picture here. You can use the same as yesterday if you wish, and write some sentences describing your physical appearance. Okay, please do not use Google Translate. The only thing you need is what's right here in your digital notebook. Okay, guys, if you have more questions, I will be on the Google Meet during the lesson today. Mucha suerte a todos que van a ir a la escuela. Good luck to everyone who is going into class. And if you guys need me, I'll be on the Google Meet during class time, and I will also be there during office hours at 2:05. The links will be on Google Classroom. Okay, hasta pronto. See you soon.